Good morning, class. We will be your practice teachers for today. My name is Teacher Sally.
My name is Teacher Edna.
My name is Teacher Joel.
Okay, so for today, we are going... Before that, let's have a short prayer first.
Kami stand up for the prayer. In the name of the Father, and Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father,
in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
good morning, class.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Delicano. Okay, before taking your seats, can you please pick up your pieces of paper on your chair, if there is, then put it in the trash bin. On the count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Settle down. Okay. You take your seats, class. Thank you so much. So today, I will be checking your attendance. So look at your seatmates. Does anyone is absent for today? Is anyone? None? Okay. If there is no absent, then very good. Can you give around yourself? Can you give a round of applause for yourself?
Before we start our lesson, we'll have an energizer first. Are you excited?
Yes, are you excited for our energizer? Our energizer entitled Five Little Monkey Humpty Dumpty. Did you know that song? Yeah! Are you excited? Yeah! Okay, let's stand up. Okay, who wants to be in front? Anyone? Volunteer. Anyone? No one? Don't be shy. Ayaw pa po, ayaw pa award. Okay, come here, Francie. Ayaw na, ayaw na. Sino pa? John Paul? Okay, come here. Oh, you know. Oh, wait, come here. Hello? Come here. Okay. And count from 1, 2, and play. Again. Okay, thank you so much. Take your seats. Did you enjoy our energizer? Did you enjoy our energizer? Okay, very good. Today, let's have an activity first. So that we to enlighten us the topic that we will be discussing about today. So first, let's have the directions. So can you read
sentence using the positive, comparative, and superlative degrees of adjective.
Okay. For number 1, can I call this little girl? What's your name? Giselle? Yes? Desiree. Okay, can you stand up? Can you read number 1? What's your answer? Okay, very good. Thank you, Giselle. Desiree. Okay, number 2. Who wants to volunteer? Who wants to volunteer? You? Umayas? Yeah. Okay, number 2. Monkeys. Thank you, Desiree. Number 2. Come here in front nila. Can you read this one? Small. Smaller. Smallest. What's your answer? Monkeys get along than elephants. Small, smaller, smallest. What's your answer? Smaller? Okay, very good. Can you give her a round of applause for Alright, thank you, Kumayas. For number 3, who wants to volunteer? Anyone? You. What's your name? Jameson? Can you stand up na lang? Okay. Can you read number 3? What's your answer? Writer. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Number 4. Who wants to volunteer? Anyone?
Raise your right hand if you want to answer.
Anyone? Okay. What's your name? Sombrero. Can we read number 4?
Mars is known
What's your answer? Sure?
closer.
Very good. Okay, for number 5, last. Who wants? You. Oh, you got. Okay, what's your name? Zoran? Zoran? Okay. Can you read Zoran, number 5?
The blank among the
What's your answer? C. Biggest. Okay, correct. Okay, very good class. Thank you for your participation. Now, we'll have another activity in connection to our topic. So, now we will read a story. Alright? Is it clear? Class, can you read?
Surprise birthday party! Sally prepares a surprise birthday party on Saturday for her mother. Sally called her best friend to help her prepare for the party.
Okay.
Sally plans to prepare a plum cake, and she knows that
Stop. Okay. Any volunteer to answer? Okay. Can you choose which of these words fits on the sentence? Okay, then come over, then you paste it. This one. Yeah. Is it correct? Okay, correct. Thank you. Okay. Next. Any volunteer to answer? Okay. Stand up. That's the missing word. Can you read the word exciting? Is it correct, class? Is it correct that her kind mother will be happy? Okay, correct. Thank you.
Sally also plans to invite the grandparents of her mother.
Anyone? Yes, Kumayas. Can you choose the word that fits in that sentence? Is it exciting? Are you sure? Sally also plans to invite the friends. Ano yan? Mga friends niya. Best friend, close friends. What kind of friend? Is it close friends? Okay. Replace. Okay, can you give our article for guys? Okay, next. Okay, what's the answer? Yes. Alright, very good. That's correct. Okay, thank you. And okay. Anyone? Okay. Yes, my brother. Can you paste the word that fits on the sentence? Right. Okay, now we'll read all together, okay?
Sally prepares a surprise birthday party on Saturday for her mother. Sally called her best friend to
now I'm going to show you an object. Okay? Then tell me, describe the object. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. I have here, what objects are these? What kind of money? A Philippine and euro? A Philippine peso coin. In this 20 peso coin, can you describe the 20 peso coin? Yes? That's correct. Another one, what do you observe from 20 peso coin to 1 peso and 10 centavos? Is it big? Is it small? Is it large? Yes. Can you stand up? Okay. A 20 peso coin is small. Alright? The next one, the 1 peso coin. Yes. Yes, correct. Smaller. And the 10 centavo? Okay, very good. Smallest. Alright. Now I have another object that I will show you. So I have, what kind of an object is this? Yes? Yes, this is a stick. Okay. So, can you describe the stick? Anyone? The stick is long. Alright. The second one. Longer. Very good. And the third one. Longest.
Interrupt or don't be noisy or don't talk with your seatmates. Okay? Is that clear? Yes. Okay, very good. And then if you want to answer, just kindly raise your right hand. Okay? Is it clear? Yes. Okay, very good. So now let me ask you, class. Do you know what is an adjective? Okay, yeah. So what is an adjective? Yes? Stand up. Adjective is describing things. Okay, that's correct. So, adjectives are words that describe or give more information about nouns or pronouns. Do you know what is a noun? Okay, very good. What is a noun? And why? No? It's okay. So, noun, it refers to the name of a person, place, things, animals, or an event. So, these adjectives, they tell us what something looks like, feels like, sounds like, or even tastes like. So, ang adjective ko, no, ang pumili ang nagdi-describe at mga nouns. So, ang mga nouns again, ang tao, butang, hayop, lugar, or mga events. Okay? Do you understand? Okay. What is an adjective again? Louder, class. What is an adjective?
Describe or give more information about nouns or pronouns. They tell us what something looks like, feels like, sounds like, or even tastes like.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So I have here some examples of an adjective. I have some simple sentences here with some an adjective. So first, read the sentence and then you need to underline the adjective in the sentence, okay? So for the first sentence, who would like to read and answer? Raise your right hand. Anyone? Okay, thank you. It's okay to answer. Right now, sige, you stand up. Sige, you stand up. Try to read the sentence. Okay, very good. What is the adjective in the sentence? Happy, very good. You underline the word, please.
Then, no. Come out. Use the chalk. Sayang hindi ko kaya. Ayan, then.
Underline the adjective. Okay, very good. Thank you. For the number, who would like to read? Okay, Kumayas, can you stand up and read the sentence? Okay, very good. What do you think is the adjective in the sentence? Are you sure? What is the noun in the sentence? The ice cream, very good. So what describes the ice cream? Ano po ng ice cream? Oh, very good. You understand the adjective. Okay, very good. Okay, for the number 3, who would like to read? Okay, stand up. Scared? Okay, very good. What do you think is the adjective in the sentence? Scared? Are you sure? What is the noun in the sentence? Bird. So, ano man yung ang thunder? Ano man ang na-describe ng thunder? Loud. Okay, very good. Mind you, kindly underline the words, the adjective. Very good. Okay, for number 4, who would like to read the sentence? Okay, stand up. Okay, very good. What is the adjective in the sentence? Are you sure? What are you talking in the sentence? What is the name? Apple, very good. So, ako naman apple. Ano na describe ng apple? See, very good. I'm trying to actually. Thank you. For number 5. Okay. What is your name? Okay. Like to read number 5. Okay, thank you. What is the adjective in this sentence? Are you sure? You can try. Beautiful, very good. Under you would like to underline please. Okay, thank you everyone. So again, what is an adjective?
Describe or give more information about nouns or pronouns. They tell us that something looks like, feels like, sounds like, or even tastes like.
Okay, very good. Give your hands a round of applause. And so, I think you are now ready to learn the games. So, today's lesson, you are going to be an expert in using adjectives in comparing or in making comparisons, positive, comparative, and superlative degrees of adjective.
You're so described as a
describe in usang o single noun or pronoun. So, in example, with a positive degree, example of an adjective in a positive degree is the word be. So, here's a sample sentence. Class, read. Okay, very good. What is the adjective in this sentence? Okay. Ano ang dinidescribe honey? Car. So, peraan car? Usa. So, ang atong gingamit, be, o ang simplest or base form. Kay, single or usamandan atong gintutukoy. Okay? Do you understand? Okay. So, again, ano ato? Ang positive degree, ano ang atong ginagamit kung ano ang atong ginagamit na word? Nag-describe with single or only one noun or pronoun. Okay. Okay. Number 2, everyone read. Okay, very good. So, anong comparative degree naman, ang iyang na-describe ni duha nga noun or pronouns. So, an example of adjective in comparative degree is a word na bigger. Everyone, let's read the sample sentence.
The bus is bigger than the car.
Okay, very good. What is the adjective used in this sentence?
Bigger.
Okay, bigger. Why do you think bigger is the adjective? Ano ang i-compare niya sentence? Duha. Ano ang duha ang i-compare? Okay, ano ko na ang van?
Bigger.
The van is bigger than the car. Very good. Next. Okay, for number 3, everyone, can you read?
Besides three or more nouns and pronouns.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So, ang superlative naman, ang iyang i-describe tulo na noun, tulo or more than, or mas damo pa nga mga noun or pronoun. So, example of an adjective, example of superlative degree of adjective is the word biggest. Okay? Let's read the sample sentence para mas maintindihan natin.
The bus is the biggest among the three
Vehicles.
vehicles.
Okay, very good. What is the adjective na ating gamit in this sentence?
Biggest.
Okay, very good. Why do you think biggest man ang ating gamit na adjective? 3. Okay, very good. Nag-compare kita in 3 vehicles. Thank you. So again, ano adto ang 3 degrees of adjective? Okay, ang positive, ginagamit niya for nag-describe in isa or single noun or pronoun. Ang comparative, ginagamit for duha, okay? Ginagamit ko, nag-describe kita in duha na nouns or pronouns. How about the superlative? Kung nag-describe kita in tulo, o mas damo pa nga mga nouns and pronouns. So, para mas maintindihan natin, may kakasipin. Kakasita ka. other examples. Naintindihan ba, class? Ang tungkol sa magic gifts? Okay. Very good.
Sige, mag-excuse.
Okay, everyone. So I have some examples here para mas maintindihan natin ang meaning ng adjective. So, for the positive, try to read. Okay, very good. So, a positive salt, a comparative naging color. So, what are the letters na ato at para maging comparative yung idea? Okay, very good class. As superlative naman, what are the letters na ato at? Okay, very good. How about number 2? Again, anong letter na ato at? Very good. Okay, let's see. Number 3. Okay, again, anong letter na ato at? How about okay, very good. Number 4. Okay, very good. The last one. Okay, ano na ato Okay, very good. Thank you, everyone. Again, another one, 3 degrees of adjective. Okay, thank you. Ang positive, yung gagamit po, salaan and describe ng number pronoun. How about the comparative? Okay. How about the superlative? Okay, very good. Thank you again, class. Next, you're going to have an exciting activity. So, teacher Joel.
Okay, class. So, I'm Mr. Joel and I'm here we will have a group activity. So, ready na ba ako? Ready na? Bago kita mag-start, makakalitan tulungan group. So, magka-count up kita. So, start kita. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, yun yung mga 1. 1.
Yung mga one.
Magkita lang ang 1. Baka di ka mga 1. Kanto. Nanto na number 2.
Raise your right hand. Dito number 1.
Yan number 1.
Then, number 1, awanin matulog.
Stand, Annie, stand.
Stand up. Stand up, please. Namin yung number 1 ka na ano. So, mali. Pila pa mga diya siya na chairs. Hindi kami yung number 1, ang mga number 1.
Yung number one. Yung number one ko. Yung number one ko. Bila ka na. Okay, number one pa kayo.
Ano yung number 1?
Yung ang number two. Sige, bili ang number 2. Baka yung number 2. Bili mo yung number 2 na number 2. Ayun ang number 2. Bili number 2. Sige, hindi number 3. Hindi number 3. Dali na lang. Number 3 ka? Hindi ka. Number 3 ka lang. Dali na lang. Number 1, number 2, plus number 3. Number 3 ang Hindi ka na. Number ano ka? Number 2. So, hindi ka na lang pumayang. Hindi, sakit tayo iyan.
Okay na. Ano na ka yung perspective group, di ba? So, ano yung kuhan? Okay, basahan ka na yung direction. Kita ko ng picture. May example, kita ko ng picture na i-describe sa ano yung describe sa example, ang BB. Yung describe siya nga young. Nga positive. Nga comparative, go compare yung younger. Nga superlative, go compare yung younger. ER and EST kanina, di ba? Ano? So yan ha, magkakadagatan yung activity kundi yung i-describe yung mga noun. Okay? Okay na. Ready? So, hi group 1. Group 1 yan. You know it ma-represent yung group. Okay, camera. Okay. Oh, i-describe na ninyo ano na-describe din nga cake. This cake is
Ano answer?
yung answer.
So, number one grouping ni ano. So, ang assign sa iyo is ang number 1 and number 2. So, for example, in yung picture, what is this picture nani? Cake. So, ano man ito describing cake? Ano nga mga word? Ano yung cake? Sweet.
Ano klasay cake?
Okay, very good. So, susugaran nito nila. And then, for number 2, group 2, may group 2. Okay, group 2. So, ang iyo naman is number 3 and number 4. So, based on picture, mag-isip ka mo ng adjective na nag-describe ng picture, input ang iyo ang positive, comparative, and superlative, ha? Nakuha? And then, for group 3, place. Okay, very good. So, for group 3, so, mag-isip ka mo ng adjective ka word na na-describe din ang picture. Ibubutan niyo ang positive, comparative, and superlative. So, mag-restore ka mo ha, tatawin ka mo namon in 10 minutes to come up with the answer. And then, usang nga representative at magsusurat din. Okay? And makadagyan kami iyo ka na. Okay? Nakuha ba? Okay. Sige, pag dyan ka mo pag-circle. Pag-circle pa. Siguro, ano yung first?
Number 5. I'm a new paper.
Sige lang, answer niya group is may the price niya, ha? Kaya niyo.
Number 5. Number 5. Based on number 5 na picture, ano yung pag-describe na iyo? Diba? Kung niya? Ano niya? Ano na? So, ano yung ang superlative. mag-volunteer? Giselle. Sige, ikaw. Ang positive, ito na lang sir. Ikaw, ano ba? Ito, dasan ko pa. Ikaw na lang superlative. Superlative. Yan pa. Tatapos na kita mga sir. Yan ang nila akong sir.
Okay, are you done, everyone? I'll start first from group 1. Okay, group 1. Ito yung mga sabihin na positive. Second, ano yung paragraph? Number 2. Okay. Positive, number 3.
Okay, yun ang root 3, yung tama ng mga teacher. Okay, naman sa mga last, ano lang ang answer?
Ay, okay na. Check ka na kung hinuan nakagana yung correct answer. So, number 1, ang take kay ang comparative is ang superlative is correct ba? Check ini, number 1 yung answer, number 1. Group Y, correct. 1 point to yun. Number 2, ang girl kay ang comparative is pretty girl. The superlative is yes. Prettiest. So it's correct. Diba? 2 points na. And number 3, yun ang answer. Group 2. Ang nag-describe hal. Old. So, ang comparative is pag ito compare ni Lolo at tulong alagat. Yes. Correct.
Unang pangalan siya.
And number 4 kay the rock is correct. Last one, let's go. 3. So, this one is strong. Comparative. It's the one is stronger.
Ang superlative. Now, arrange your chair and take your seats. Okay, take your seats, quiet.
So in class, we will have another activity. So ma'am and sir will distribute the answer sheet. So na-answer nila. So hindi naman mga perfect. Ay, price na naman. Okay.
OMG.
Mga balikan ka mo, Rafi.
We may now start answering.
Ano yung lahat?
Everyone, may ka na ba tanan?
Ay, dada? So, okay na, may tanatanan. First, write your name and grade section. Second, read the directions. Complete the sentence below. Write the correct form of adjective in blank based on the underlined word. So, ako na ito. Okay na? Nakaintindi? So, ano yan ang? Okay. Pamatayan na yun, guys. Oh, okay. Pamatayan na yun, class. Number 1 is, sample na, number 1, Mario is tall. Kali, comparative, Nico is blank than Mario. Anong answer na da? I-compare nila. Diba? Diba mo lang ang comparative? Kali, what? Edgar is the blank among the 3 boys. Okay. Yung answer na.
Hinaharap lang. Kompleto nga ang sige na yun. Answer na answer. Mario is tall. Nico is blank than Mario. Anong answer? Edgar is the blank among the 3 boys. Ano nag-describe the Mario? Tall. Nico is blank than Mario. Ano
Okay, kung can you answer mo?
Tapos ka na. Very good naman. Inunahin mo man. Kanina ba? Right pa. Sige. Sige. Ano ba? Answer na. Iba parang ano lang na. Then we will check your answer, okay? Tapos na. Okay. Inutan maray pa. Inutan maray matapos. Answer. Sige. Answer na. Answer. Ayaw.
Are you done na? Sige, puro ka na. Are you done na? Okay, sige. We give the teacher Joel, tapos pang teacher yan na lang yung mga papers, kaya atin yung date change and papers, then we will check, okay?
Tapos ka na? Finish na? Quiet. Now, friends, quiet. Listen. Okay, hold na. Nandiyan na kang mga papel. Nandiyan na kang mga papel. Okay. Itahati yung papel. Itaha. Listen. Kumayas. Itahati yung chichikan yung papel. Itaha. Okay. Number 1, basa. You read. Number 1, ano yun? Number 1. Next. Answer. Okay. Okay, taller. Check nila. Check kung correct yung answer. Okay, next. Anong answer? Yes. Tallest. Okay, tallest ang yung answer.
Check ha.
Check. Kung tallest ang answer. Okay, number 2.
Check ha. Kung correct.
Read. Angela. Okay, next. Anong answer? Yes. Shorter. Very good. The answer is shorter. Read. Lina. Who wants to answer? Yes. Anong answer? Tallest. Very good. Shortest, I mean. Check ang yung papel ko ng answer. Shortest. Okay, number 3. Read. Next. Yes. Yes. What's the answer? Cake is blank than ice cream. Yes, very good. Sweeter is the correct answer. Okay. Next, can you read? Candy is the blank among the three. Okay. Who will answer? Yes, sweetest. Count to score. You can score. Now, you write na right above. Hindi upper right side na lang. Left, right. Hindi butang na lang ito. Yung score. Upper right side. Pero hindi check. Okay, okay na. Okay, pass your paper in front. Thank you so much. Keep quiet, listen. Sit down.
Okay, so before we proceed to another activity, let me ask natin kung namati ba talaga tanan. So, ano natin yung discuss namin yan ang aga? Okay, very good. So, ano ba ang 3 degrees of adjective? Okay, very good. So, kung positive, ano natin i-describe? Na-describe din? nouns and pronouns. So nabati, good man. Thank you. Let's give everyone a round of applause. Thank you. So, here is another last one activity na lang nila. Okay? Okay.
Ay, mali magsulat ba? Ano kami? Para kayo? So, tanan na may ila. So, mali, ito yung bubutangan yung name, yung grade and section, tapos, rin direction, pamati. Nabi ang direction. Write at least 3 sentences using the adjective from the box below. So, pamatihan na, pamati. Mali, write at least 3 sentences. Amin nga ng 1, 2, 3. Magsusulat ka mo yung 3 sentences para mag-describe o mag-lima ko sentence. Kasi susulat na iyo ang shortest but then light. Okay? Okay? So, marilo at ubos at fill in the blank. Bubutangan na iyo ang bagat na fit in at nasasakto nga dahil kay sentence. Or big, tall. Ito. Okay? Sige.
Okay. Naintindihan ba? So, for example, sige, makakala ko yung bonus ha for number 1. So, di ba, Adi? Number 1, ano nag-describe yung picture and ano binidungan? Shortest. So, number 1, for example, in sentence, the first key is the shortest among the three. Okay, very good. So, gagamitin natin ang word na shortest and adjective na shortest but himuking sentence. Again, so number 1, the first key is the shortest among the three. Okay? Nakuha ba? Okay, sige.
Kay nagpupulang, is kumuha, kumukar na, ginagin ang napagbukusan, mga partido sa balay.
So if you're done writing number 1 sentence, you take the hand of Sige. Again, number 2. Adding mo na word na iba. Adding mo word and then summarize mo yung sentence gamit yung articles of words. Okay? Yes. Are you done now?
Anay, kapag ang tawag kayo, ang tawag ko.
Adi ko naman sa
Very good. Proceed to number 4.
Tapos sa ito,
Tapos ka na.
probate.
Tapos ka na. Balik na. Proceed na number 4.
Ano, kita ko kung pinigyan na ng mga
Tapos ka na. Tapos ka na. Answer na. Answer na. Nagaya kang din. Nagaya kang din. Later. After this, this is the last. Hindi yung answer na. Orange 5 pa. Answer na.
Subali Earthing na ito pa. Ano na ito, ano po nawaran ito. Ang Earthing na ito,
For those who finish answering, if please, may na talaga answering, wait lang kita sa mata. Yun na answer na. Anong tawag nila? Sino yung
She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was as nervous as she could be. She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was afraid that somebody would say,
2, 3, 4, tell the people what you wore.
it was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy bitsy teeny weeny